にゃんち
そうだ。
テレビ
つけてもいいぞ。
あーやこれ好き
Great. You.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Hello. I had a near-death experience today. These are my friends. Hello.
Then using AdSense.
Maybe this one just to suruh orang masuk awal kot. This is Kang Hong.
Hi.
And that's me. Mampus lah aku terus pula dia. It has been only 2 hours since I first met and
I'm a good person.
tak apalah, tak baik expose benda yang tak baik. Ada 2 minggu lagi. Mana? Kang Hong sia? Kita kehilangan.
Oh, it's okay.
Lah, kita tak bagi tahu dia, kita jalan. Hello everyone. Hello. I'm already at Tokyo, but it's kind of quiet now because it's 12:42 a.m. in Malaysia, so it's 1:42 a.m. here. So everyone's like finding for food and all. I just got my soda, and I'm probably gonna edit my video yang I ada so far, so my scheduled post won't be too delayed. So macam tu je lah. And yeah, I'm now just protecting luggages as of now. But that's it. I'm here with Aishi though. Hi. She got herself a soda too.
It's very carbonated, please.
There's capsule hotels here, but it's way too expensive for us, so we're just gonna sleep here. Oh, no. We're supposed to press it, right? But I'm like scared.
It'll blow up.
Wait, I'm actually scared. Wait, this is insane. Rocket science. This is rocket science. So we're supposed to take it apart and press it in, but it looks like it's impossible. So
It won't blow up? There's also a round
am I
shampoo.
supposed to drink it like this? Or a straw? Can I have a straw? How am I supposed to use a straw?
Why not? What? What is this barrier?
There's a barrier. I'm gonna Google it quickly because I don't want to look dumb in front of them. Vicky, how? Oh, you're supposed to drink it just like that. Oh, okay, okay. How do I lock this? Ni apa ni? Sponsor ke? Sponsor ke? Sponsor. Oh, faham. Oh, ads. Oh.
I dapat royalty.
Oh, royalty. Oh, okay, bagus. I took this for Aishi because she loves journaling as well, and it has good graphics. So, and I also got coffee because I really couldn't stand it staying awake for more than 12 hours, I think. Yeah. I just died like 5 times. Guys, we're here. I'm so excited. We're all so tired. Oh my god, but we're excited. I'm just leaving my luggage here. Oh my god. Update, it's actually 7 a.m. and we're already at TMU.
So tired.
So tired. It was hell. Like, I could explain, but like,
It would take the whole trip.
yeah. No, there were so many stairs. Like, she has 18 kg. I also have 18 kg.
Our shoulders are gone.
Yeah, I haven't got gotten any proper sleep. So macam, yeah. We're at McDonald's though right now. At the airport just now I got you something.
Me?
I bought yeah. It's big though, I don't know if you like it, but inside here there's like interesting pictures.
I think I printed out our itinerary. Also for the journal. I think our napkins are cute.
Alright, he got like a Happy Meal. Let's see what he eats. Yes. Is it not Pokemon?
Oh, it's what is yours?
Oh, I got.
It's like a little toy. It's a skipping game.
It's the what?
It's like a skipping game.
I think it's like this.
You're supposed to put it in water.
McDonald's Malaysia, it's so... Oh, he gets Pikachu!
You got a friend.
How do I buy all of the toys?
We are totally not university students. Hello. So one thing that we're suffering with right now is that the pickup will be at 2 and it's summer break right now, so like no one's in uni. So we are trapped at this area until someone picks us up. We have 5 hours till 10. So we're at Family Mart. I hope the audio is fine. Meron, drink, and I'm so tired. And we're like, I can't afford this. Or this either.
Kita karaoke.
Kepala otak hang. Dah stop.
Ada karaoke sana ke? Tak apa lagi orang.
I am already.
Tak ada pun, kita semua tidur tapi lagu
This is what happens when a group of kids are stuck for 4 hours. Guys, look at that. A selection of sushis and sashimis. Look at that.
This one.
Oh yeah.
And then I saw someone recommend.
Wow, so banyak recommend. So banyak ice cream. Sanity update. It's more than 24 hours since last I slept, and the only sleep I got was not more than 3 hours. And the night before that sleep was me traveling from Penang, so that's like another 7 hours of nothingness. I am so tired right now. We still can't check in. It's kind of hot. This is how it looks like the view that I'm looking at right now. I bought some stuff, so I'm just gonna show you what I got. My friends are all tired, but okay, I got some stuff from the 100 yen store. I got this. This is basically a hair, like a shower for you to clean your hair. It's like a brush. It's very cute. It's Sanrio. And it's basically cheaper than Daiso. That's why I got some stuff. This is Happy Danbui. This is a card holder for me to put my Suica card, and as well as the lanyard, which I will put it on right now because it's kind of a need. And this is something that I got for my sister, which is a Mickey tag. I might just show it right now because I might forgot if I just keep delaying. 3 more hours before they pick us up. I'm so tired. Bye. Kan fokus tekan tengah ni je.
Oh, okay, faham. Okay. Hello.
Sorry, pintu berat. Masuk. Buka kasut dulu.
Okay, thank you.
Pintu. Sangat tidak berperi kemanusiaan. Sini, datang sini.
Okay, thank you.
Sini, nak tunjuk dekat sini dulu. Welcome to my house. Tengok ni. Mira ni bergoyang sebab gempa bumi tadi. Ada malaikat lalu.
Ya Allah.
Tak apa, kita biar je. Ni kita ada kat sini. Kita ada place to start. And then we have more down here. Entahlah apa aku nak simpan dekat sini. Tapi itulah dia. And then we have more up there yang insyaAllah aku tak sampai. Oh, sampai. That's here. And then let's come here. This is my very beautiful kitchen. We have a kitchen set here. And there's also, they give us complete punya barang weh, like barang masak. Weh, dia orang even bagi pisau weh. Ini boleh lah aku kejarkan malam-malam. Yeah.
Scary though.
It's okay, Nazmi is my best friend, so he should be okay with this. Pilih kau nak pisau ke ni? You can actually buy food at there's an outlet actually in front of our college. So we can go and buy food. And basic kalau nak masak sini, you have to on this thing sebab supaya asap boleh keluarkan. You nak shower pun kena buka sebab if not everything will bunyi, and then yeah, you don't want that to happen. This is apa tadi? Oh yeah. Sinar-sinar. Yes. And this is our beautiful toilet. Macam ni. Lengkap. Aku dah mandi tadi. That's why nampak macam ada orang dah guna. And we have a bathtub. Yes. Nazmi tak mandi lagi. Jadi saya kena bagi tahu satu dunia. Saya kena bagi tahu juga. Tolong. Saya minta maaf Nazmi.
Saya malu ni.
Mari kita melihat kita punya tepi.
Ui, ya Allah.
Bergegar.
Saya nervous tau. Saya excited
Aku baru
ni.
je masuk bilik ni, nanti kena halau. Ni peti ais. Kita ada peti ais yang kosong lagi, nanti aku isi. And then we also have an oven. Oven ke microwave ni bang?
Aku rasa microwave. Kau ni tak boleh bezakan ke?
Kalau kau ni tak pernah masuk dapur.
Nampak.
Ni aku tak lagi kat sini. And then diorang bagi benda lah ni. Kau jangan lupa nanti kau tak boleh masuk bilik. And then this is my bag with bed sheets. Also they also give me utensils. Give all of us lah, not me. Although I'm the special person.
Okay, so anyways.
So yeah, the utensil they also give like some hangers, and this to wash the dishes and all that. This to do the laundry, some other small stuff and all that. Oh, they also give free Wi-Fi, which is perfect. Yeah. Also, I also need to tell the world this. Can I?
Can.
Me don't know how to use the Wi-Fi.
Just for a few minutes before,
yeah.
you know.
Yeah, but
a few minutes ago.
Ilham dah sampai, Hidayah dah sampai. And we also have an outdoor balcony, but there's bees. Tak boleh buka apa lah. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. Tengok jalan. Bye. Hi, hello. It's 12:41. We just got back from Shinjuku. And it was so surreal. It was insane. Like, I could not ever imagine that just like 12 hours earlier, I was struggling by the streets quite literally. It was just like words cannot probably describe how I feel throughout the entire day under the scorching hot sun. Like, although I'm so tired, you know, when I go on family punya trips, usually I'll be the one who would rather stay in the hotel all day because I hate going out. But this one I'm very like everywhere, and I'm happy that I actually traveled. But I'm proud that I'm able to afford it, and I realized that not many people can do it the same as I am because given the circumstances they're in. So I just pray that everyone who's watching this video gets to travel here soon because it's amazing, I tell you. But just one thing, don't come during summer, but either way, it's amazing. Shinjuku was insane. I had amazing sushi. It was so good, and I'm so happy that all of my friends are happy with the restaurant that I suggested because it was cheap and nice. And what else? Because if I'm happy about something, I'm just gonna be happy about it. Like, who cares what other people think, right? So yeah, I'm gonna have to be more mindful of what I say, but at the same time to not sabotage myself by, you know, ignoring my actual real-time feelings. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. There's gonna be more tomorrow. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. Bye.